So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and you're watching Komaltaya. So guys, in the last video I talked about one previous year question which came in 2013 chemistry exam only, and that question was regarding variation principle only, and you need to find out that which state the trial wave function belonged to, and you need to find out how to do that, and you try to put the wave function equal to 0 and then try to find out node and then try to find out the n value, and then just you deduce your results, right? So in this video I'm going to take a similar question but little bit different, and I know this question can trick you off because earlier particle in 1D works question has come, so I'm assuming that it has chances that now simple harmonic oscillator comes, question belonging to that comes, depending on this topic only. So just see that question looks like, because even if you do that small mistake which I'm trying to convey, your whole question can go wrong, right? And you're wrong, the wrong answer that would be on front and you'll be marking it up. So don't do that mistake. So let's see what that mistake looks like. So for that you need to pay attention over screen. So pay attention over screen. So the question which I'm talking about, it is second question, and according to it, a trial wave function for SHO. So again, a trial wave function is, we have taken this and it was proposed, and the wave function looks like this, like beta x square minus 1 e raised to power minus beta x square if the energy calculated by this wave function is E. So the energy calculated by this wave function is E. That means E trial. E trial is now equal to E. Fine. Then which of the below is correct? So options are E greater than 0.5 h cut omega, E greater than 2.5 h cut omega, E greater than 3.5 h cut omega, and E greater than 4.5 h cut omega. Clear? So I'll be discussing the solution. I have already written down the solution of this question, so let's discuss that. So this is the question. Clear? So yeah, so this is the question and just pay attention over it. So guys, this is the trial wave function and it is beta x square minus 1 e raised to power minus beta x square. So if I need to find out the energy that it is greater than equal to something, first I need to find out, because it has different variables. Fine. So first I need to find out that which state it belongs to. What is the n value? Right? What is the n value? Then this E should be greater than E exact. Fine, you know that. This is a mandatory condition. Please don't forget that a trial wave function energy will be greater than exact energy. Fine. For exact energy, you need to, exact energy formula is this. For this SHO, this is SHO box. This is n plus 1 by 2 h nu or n plus 1 by 2 h cut omega. Fine. H nu, you can write H nu as h cut omega also, right? So this is the thing. So first I need to find out n, then only I can find the E exact, and then only I can tell that E trial wave energy is greater than that value. For that I need to find n. So for finding n, you need to find out nodes first, because then only you can find out. If you know nodes, you can write down what the value of n is, right? And nodes, so for finding nodes now, for node you need to put, for node I told you need to put the trial wave function equal to 0. These are the points. Clear? For node you need to find the trial wave function equal to 0. So okay, now I'll just rub it up first and then I'll be discussing further. Yeah, so what I'll do, like, what is the trial wave function over here? It is beta x square minus 1 e raised to power minus beta x square. So it is beta x square minus 1 e raised to power minus beta x square, and it is equal to 0. Okay, I have put it equal to 0. So what I'll do now, I'll either take this value and this value separately. Fine. So first I'll take beta x square minus 1 is equal to 0, and it is beta x square. So this 1 will go to other side, it would be plus 1, and this x square is equal to, if I just do over here, this x square is equal to 1 by beta. Fine. And this x would be plus minus. Always remember, don't write x is equal to root 1 by b like that. 1 by root b. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Otherwise, like your calculation of nodes can be wrong. So always whenever square is there, you know, always there are two values, that is one in plus and one in minus. So that would be plus minus 1 by root b. Fine. So I have two values now, and let's take from this e minus beta x square is equal to 0. So guys, this can only be 0 when you know that this can only be 0 when you know that this term somehow comes out to be this 1 by infinity. Clear? Can I write like this? This is 1 by e raised to power beta x square. Clear? Fine. So if that e raised to power beta x square comes out to be infinity, so then I can say that it is equal to 0. So when it will be infinity? When e raised to power infinity, when x will be infinity? When x will be infinity, it will become infinity, and this whole term will become infinity. Clear? So square is there. Always remember, again guys, square is there. Clear? So square is there, so that means there would be two value, plus infinity and minus infinity. Square is there, so that means this infinity square is there. Clear? So that means x value can be either plus infinity or minus infinity. If it was like this, e raised to power beta x, then the x value could have been x is equal to infinity. Then only it could have turned 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity, you know, that is 0. Clear? So but now square value is there, so you have to take into consideration both value, like either x can be plus infinity also or minus infinity also. So I got two values from here and two values from here. But guys, pay attention over here. So before just going further, don't say that I'll just tell you the possibilities of mistakes you can do over here. One mistake, that okay, you are putting x square is equal to 1 by beta, so you are putting x is equal to 1 by root beta, and you are just saying okay, this is 1, and x, instead of this x is equal to plus minus infinity, you are saying that x is equal to infinity. So there are two nodes. Okay, according to that, luckily here two nodes are there, but that is the final answer, but you'll be confused if there is something different case. Then what can you do, that it is plus minus 1 by beta, and it is plus minus, so you are counting two values over here and two values over here, so total you are getting four nodes. No, I told you nodes does not exist on boundaries, right? And you know, for SHO boundaries are minus infinity to plus infinity. So obviously no node can be present here. Only node will be these two values. That is 1 by root beta, and another value is minus 1 by root beta. So that means there are only two nodes. Fine. So number of nodes here are 2. So pay attention over it. I hope you got the thing over here. Clear? So just pay attention over it. More thing. So now since I have got the value of this node, so I got node is equal to 2. So what I'll do, node is equal to 2. So now I'll find the value of n. So guys, don't do over here. One more mistake. I have put star over here also. Don't do that node is equal to n minus 1 and you are putting node 2 and n minus 1 and you are happily doing that n is equal to 3 and you are just putting the formula and you are calculating it and okay, now you're good to go and you got 4 marks. No, you lose. You just because of this small mistake, you lost the marks. So always remember this thing I have told I guess 1000 times till now, that always before considering node formula, this is for particle in 1D box. For particle in a box, node is equal to n minus 1. But for SHO, node number of nodes are always equal to n. Always remember guys, this is very important. Please pay attention over it. Don't do this type of mistake. Like even after you have done whole question like completely correctly, so you can get wrong over here and you'll be regretting it like anything, because you know when you do such silly mistakes, you don't regret that you lost the marks, you just regret the thing that you lost mark, that you just lost the mark because of this silly mistake which you already knew and didn't realize at that time, right? So don't do over here this type of mistake. So this is the system which is SHO. So I'll be taking this formula that node is equal to n. So here node is 2, so n value will also be 2. So I don't know about the trial wave function energy. Only thing I can do is that it will be greater than exact, and you know I got the state that is 2, so I can find out E exact. So E exact is equal to n square h square by 8 ml square. Clear? And E exact would be, what is n? N is 2. So 2, it would be 2 square. 2 square means 4. It would be 4h square by 8ml square. So it would be 4 2s are 8. And oh god, I'm so sorry. Oh god, I'm so sorry. I again forgot. I also did the same mistake. E exact, the formula of energy here is this one. N plus half, this N plus half h nu or h cut omega. Clear? So I'm just rubbing it off. Please excuse me for that. And just don't just blame me in the comment section that okay, you did that wrong. So just pay attention over it again. I'll be doing it again. So you know that E trial is greater than or equal to E exact. Clear? So E exact I can find out by the formula. So first check whether it is SHO or particle in a box. So I got it. It is SHO. So SHO means the formula is this, N plus half H nu. So but I'll be taking this one, N plus half H cut omega, because in options it is always H cut omega in all the 4 options. So I'll be taking this, and you know what is the value of N. So I calculated the value of N 2. So I'll be putting over here E exact is equal to, over here I have written it is N plus half H nu or H cut omega. N is 2. Fine, N is 2. 2 plus half H cut omega, and it becomes 5 by 2. 5 by 2 H cut omega, and 5 by 2 means 2.5 H cut omega. Clear? So this becomes this, and E exact comes out to be 2.5 H cut omega. That means I can't calculate the value of trial wave function energy, but I know that it will always be greater than equal to E exact. This is a condition, and I found out the value of E exact, that is 2.5 H cut omega. And you can see over here, this was very tricky question, guys. This is very tricky question. You can get tricked here at least 4 or 5 times. So B is the correct option here. You can see over here. So B is the correct option. That is the final answer. So don't fall into the tricks. Don't fall into the traps, right? So these things, I think this is the thing this is the question that has covered everything about SHO and where the examiner can play with you, right? So take care of this very small thing. Even I got tricked. Maybe I just went with the flow. So don't do such mistakes, right? So I think that's it for this one. I'll see all of you in the next one with a new question that is little bit more different, and just see how that question looks like in the next video. And you can leave your query in the comment section if you have doubt, or in the Telegram group. Link is given in the description box, right? So that's it for this one. I'll see all of you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.